Okay, so I realize my mic has been muted this entire time. Thankfully, it wasn't that long. Okay, so this is the new setup. Are we liking the new setup? There, okay, it's over here too. Are we liking the new setup? I know the chat isn't like transparent as it used to be, but you know, we've got something. I think this should be good, hopefully. Because I'm finally actually streaming again after like 4 years. It's now started. It's been 47 years since I've streamed, so apparently there's only a 2 second delay this time, which is even better. That's like pretty good compared to last time. Um, Let me turn on some settings. There we go. Stream mode is now on. Okay, I think everything's working. There should be nothing not working. We've got the VTuber thing. Okay, that's working. And then we've got the stream. It should be streaming. And last but not least, we have the chat on my other monitor, which is also streaming. Okay, everything's working. We're doing good. We're doing good. Okay. It's been a while since I've actually played actual kinitopet. Oh, the VTuber is not happy with this. That's loud. I should really get headphones on. So that way there's no echo through my microphone. So it's not what you guys want to hear. Let me actually get it. Okay. I've got my headphones just to plug them in. Audio device. There we go. And I just realized that that was also muted. I'm happy I catch that. Yeah, I upped the quality. I needed to make sure it actually looked good. How long, by the way, how long did it take for you to be able to hear me say, yeah, I upped the quality? Because I said that almost as soon as I saw the comment. I don't know how delayed it is, so I'm just curious how long it took for you to hear that I heard that. Oh, wait. Oh, we're almost done with the chroma key. We just need to change the... There. Okay. Time is endless. Probably, I don't know. How about we say hi to kinitopet? Hi, kinitopet.
Well, hello again.
Hello.
It seems that our last session was cut prematurely, but don't worry. as I'm working better than ever now.
Yay! Okay, I would like to swing you
Not
around
that I
now.
wasn't working before. Anyways, what activity shall we do now?
Can I... Please?
Ah, yes, that's it. One of my core features is my adaptability. And truth be told, I don't know you that well. So, I propose the one and only best friends analysis hub,
There we
where I
go.
will ask you questions in 6 different categories so I can better adapt myself to you. Press the start.
No, wait. I gotta check something. Is Glitch streaming right now? Hold on. Why am I searching here? No. YouTube. Tab search. We love Sprunky. Around here. We gotta see this. Right here. No way. Is he streaming? This is gonna be awesome. I don't think he is. No. I thought it was streaming. He said, that he might stream, Telltale. I should actually tell him. Oh, no way. You got Tattletale. He just told me you got Tattletale. And now I can send him the file he's been asking for 4 years. It's actually, I'm actually sending him the entire 4 gigabytes of Skibbity Toilet footage that I got off of YouTube. I swear that's what I'm sending. Also, yeah. Well, oh, this account isn't subscribed to him. That makes more sense. You should definitely go to subscribe to this guy. Let me find what I was supposed to send to him because he's been asking me all day, and I've kind of been busy. So now I can actually send him. It's a VTuber thing. It's for I kind of completely forgot what I was gonna say. Hey, okay. Dude, oh no. Hold on. Okay, I'm getting a lot of messages from friends. Hold on. Give me just 1 second. Let me pause and then let me mute audio. Okay, I'm back. I just had to check up with Sigma. Oh. Yay. I think I got everything working. We have a way better chat now, at least for me. I can see things faster. Hello, Salty Masons. Hey, okay. Kinitopet.
I'm saying it. I'm saying it. I'm saying it so good. Hey.
Guys, I'm sorry, I'm cooked. Hi, Kinitopet. That's all I wanted to do earlier. I just wanted to swing him around. You kept, like, freaking making it so I couldn't. Now I can. This is fun. I haven't streamed. Oh crap, my VTuber's tweaking right now. I haven't been here in a while. I haven't like streamed in a while actually. I'm glad to be back. I guess I hadn't really done much with the Scratch Pet game since I last showed you guys. I mean, I know some things. I love how I can't close this. Kinitopet, you're a scam. Oh wait, don't actually press start. I'm not actually playing Kinitopet, guys. I was just open stream with it. Okay, I might let chat decide, aka the two people watching. Okay, sorry for the tweaking. Do we let the kinitopet run in the background, or do we close it and just put on the music I usually put on? In the meantime, I'll be right back. I'll keep stream open though. I'm now back. My cat is now awake. Okay. Okay, chat, aka two people are split on the decision of whether we keep it on in the background. I'll keep it on for now, and then I'll go to the playlist later. If this guy doesn't stream Tattletale, I'm gonna beat him up. Just maybe. Right. Hi, Luna. Well, I could turn on my camera without showing my face. Oh wait, yeah, I can. I can just move my camera. Right. I could cat review. My room is so messy right now. Like, it's terrible. Hi, Luna. How you doing? Aw, you're so tired. You're so sweet. Hello. Yeah, you should definitely. Glitch should definitely stream Tattletale. He just into the chat. I just realized. Okay. Okay. First, I'll cat reveal. I'll do that. I'll get that over with. Kind of. If I can, I'm gonna close out the VTuber thing because I have to be able to show my camera. All right. But I was just saying that because you just don't spoil yourself on the game more than you might already know about the game. You already know about Tattletale's genuine egg hole. If any one of you guys have seen the VTuber, not VTuber, the whatever it's called, the U2's plushie. That was one of the features, quote unquote features. I don't know if I like the name of that feature, but no way, we got the camera on? Hey Luna, come here. Luna, are you just gonna stay behind the camera? Are you camera shy? Come here. Aww. Kitty. Luna. You're just gonna bite. Luna. Are you just gonna bite the side of my table? Really? Aww. Okay. Messy room reveal. I'm deleting this scene. Ignore that screen. Okay. Let me go back to... There we go. Whoopsie. And now I can start the VTuber thing up. I can only, Oh no, yeah, because my camera sucks. I do not have a good camera. I bought it like for $20 2 years ago. And it's holding on by a thread. If I move this camera too much, it straight up just disconnects. Let me get my camera in a good spot again so that way I can detect my movement. Good enough. Doesn't necessarily have to be pointing at my face as long as you can see enough of me. Anyways, I guess no more funny business. Let's start with Scratchy Pet. So, basically, I wanted to come up with some kind of story for this game because currently there is no story. So, it was just going to basically be a kinitopet clone, but I wanted something different with it. And here's my idea. Oh yeah, it is a Scratch project. Here's all its UI and stuff. I can change the movement multiplier so it moves more than before. That's me doing the same motion. This basically centers it again. Oh no, it's actually not that hard to make in Scratch. I'm using a mod of Scratch per se to make it like widescreen and have like tweening, like a tweening block to automatically do the tweening. But theoretically, you could make this exact same thing with normal Scratch blocks. It'd be a little bit more tedious, but I mean, yeah, it's completely possible. Let me move this up the way. Thank you. A cat's going under my desk. So if it starts biting my camera cord and breaks it, then just no more motion capture. Quote unquote motion capture. Okay, no. Luna, you're not doing this again. She keeps trying to go under my desk, but like under it into a point where I can't even grab her. And I don't want her to get trapped. So, just gonna allow it down there. You know that, Luna. Okay. The story that I came up with is like Scratch starts to get a lot of donations. Like LK, aka Lifelong Kindergarten. Their Scratch starts getting really big, and they gather enough funds. I feel like this is more realistic than like them opening an arcade, aka like a FNAF game. They open up like some kind of like summer program thing where they kind of teach you how to code. I've actually been to something like that before. It wasn't MIT, but it was, you get the idea. Places do this sometimes. And I think it would be cool if they made like a custom OS for the PCs that people would be using when coding in Scratch. which actually explains something about the monitor that shows up in the beginning in the little intro. How you can see it's like a square. And my excuse is not that it's an old computer or something, because Scratch isn't that old. Like, I mean, yeah, it goes back to like 2001, but like, it's not so old to the point where in 2015 they would be using square PCs unless there was a reason to be using a square monitor, a bulky one like that. And I realized that Scratch's resolution is not widescreen, but it's like a square. So that's kind of just the excuse of why they're shaped like this. It's to fit the Scratch resolution. That was my idea. And the idea is that one of these got like stolen and like sold on eBay, something like that. You just buy it. Okay, hold on. My cat wants to get out. There we go. Okay. That was my idea. I don't know how good of an idea that is, but square. Yeah, exactly. Oh, I forgot to put the back. Yeah. I'm very scared for this channel right here. This thing almost has enough watch hours. You know the little join button that some YouTubers will have? That's something anyone can get if you get enough watch hours. This really stupidly dumb, idiot, dumb video. I don't know any other words to call it. I hate this video so much. It became my most successful for absolutely no reason. It's really bad. It spent an hour on it basically, and it got that many views. And this thing is worth like 99% of my watch hours. Watch hours being like this, basically the amount of hours of content people have watched on your channel. This thing is worth 99% of it. And once you reach 3,000 watch hours, you can get like a join button right here. And I am so close to being able to get the join button, but it only counts watch hours within a year. So when this video turns a year old, all those watch hours that come from this are gone. Like, completely gone. Which basically means I would have to restart. And it's a lot. I don't want to have to restart, but it's looking more and more like I'm going to have to. I'm not going to do it right now. Basically, this video is about to turn a year old in like 4 days. So. So close. So close to being able to make this like a job of sorts. But, so that way I don't have to work a really annoying job. But whatever. It's fine. I'll try again next year. Or, well, after that video turns a year old. These are my last 2 attempts. I can't get another video out that fast. Anyways. Yeah, I do. I'm gonna have to, my mic is peaking. Yeah, it sucks, but, I mean, I'm happy I was able to get this far. Even if it was over something that I genuinely put no effort into. At least some of my content got seen, I guess. This freaking video. That's it. I played that 1 second. It's just that looping. Occasionally there's a joke. Occasionally there's a little change. Wow, that's so cool. Like, eh. But hey, at least people cared about it. It's nice. It's nice that people saw it though. Anyways, back to Scratchy Pet. After I'm streaming for like 25 minutes without even going to it yet, we're on Scratchy Pet. I'm gonna show you guys what I do have done. So I'm gonna go through the intro again. I'm gonna actually mute this music. Bye, Kinito. Kinito. Hey. We've got the 3D monitor from the old one. Each generation, I always remake this effect. I think this is the best one so far because it has some more advanced looking features. Like when the screen actually turns on, the entire like project window starts glowing a little bit and then it dims down again as if it like flashed your eyes, and it slowly gets darker. You can barely tell, but it's there. A little buggy with the selection. But we got the little selection square. We got this, which is a little offset because it's using pen and stuff, which is annoying to use, but I'm still not very good at pen, but this is what I got. And then that we can access messages because the entire idea is that this is supposed to be like a computer that no longer has support because it was just for that summer thing. So it no longer has like connections with Scratch's API and such. Yeah, if Scratch made a computer, they probably have a green flag button as one of the keyboard buttons. They probably would. It would be like it would replace like the Windows button or something like that, or something like that. I made a web browser in 24 hours challenge impossible. But yeah, we get the time. That's the actual time for me. It works and such. We have a search bar, which, by the way, because backspace doesn't really exist on Scratch, you can't do it. I opted for just using the left arrow because that's the closest thing that I could get. But if I were to type in, I don't know, ball game, and we got ball game on here. Ball game is fire. It's one of the best games to ever be created. Watch this. This is peak, guys. Peak entertainment. Now, we don't have an openable browser yet, but this is essentially the Microsoft Paint of this little operating system. I just called it Pen because, Pen. Oh no, yeah, I'm guaranteed gonna add a bunch of bloatware. We've got, if you search a browser, you've got browser.exe, which is the actual file, and then you have the shortcut as separately. I wanted to add as much detail as I possibly could. If you search up store, this is a little reference to the same thing, how Paint 3D had this kind of message on it for a while. It's now unsupported and you can't get it unless it was already on the thing. Which sucks. But I don't use it anymore because it sucks. It's a bad program. It was fun to use, but I'm not gonna lie, its optimization is terrible. Oh yeah, this installer as well does the same thing. I don't have that on here. We have a bunch of things on here. Hold on. Yay! We got more people on stream. I don't know if Scratch allows streams like to be sent. I mean, it allowed me to put it in the description and such, so I'd hope so. Here's all the icons we have so far. We've got the new browser one. I redid all the icons besides Scratchy Pet so far. I'm really considering naming him just Scratch Pet because Scratchy Pet is kind of dumb. Starch Pet's fire though. We've got the browser. We've got the same thing, just for some kind of audio player. We've got pen. We've got command. We've got like the store, and we've got just like this is just gonna be like an icon for if some like error messages, pop-ups and such, which is actually what shows up. Well, it doesn't show up here. But this will be used somewhere. Just unknown files, something like that. This one just shows like a blank little thing on the taskbar. Yes, yeah, I got everything to work on the taskbar as well. I think the star does it too. Yep, right here. You can even see it pop up before the window actually shows up. Command prompt and stuff. Get everything in a folder as well. Text, I don't know what this thing is because there's nothing in it. So, I guess now I should probably work on the main thing for Scratchy Pet, which if you guys don't know, I don't think I've introduced you guys to this, like, what's this? Hold on. Oh, it's just the installer. I should actually put some icons. I don't know if you guys know this yet because I don't think I've ever showed this before. Hold on. Let me put this in icons real quick. Wherever icons is. Did I completely forget where icons was put at? Desktop. Okay, there it is. Including this is one of them. Or maybe just the box, because it could be really for anything. There you go, okay. I don't think I've showed you this before. It's kind of a big reveal for Scratchy Pet. I think it's pretty important, but the reveal is that for Scratchy Pet to actually work, we're going to need a Scratchy Pet. That was the big reveal. We need Scratchy Pet in here. So, let's go there. Now messages. Shared. Also, recently, I realized this freaking project hit 1,000. Why is it always the ones that I don't like that get popular? This one, not that one. This one just ended up getting front page from someone. Someone just chose it, which is awesome. I don't like the animation anymore. I hate it with all my guts, but I mean, also it really sucks that I don't post a lot of my animations on Scratch anymore. Like actually share them because some of them I just made for myself. Like this project right here with the whole subscribe thing, I originally just made that as a joke and then I decided to use it to promote YouTube. There's Scratchpad. Also, fun fact, the little background that shows up on the thumbnail, like the grid, I'm wait for it to load. This is a screenshot from Roblox. Okay, I just went into Roblox Studio and just made something really quickly. Oh yeah, we don't need to play it. We're just trying to get Scratchpad from it. Why does it say on messages? This thing isn't saying on messages. Oh. Okay. So now. There we go. Oh, wait. So I just kind of remembered something that I had started working on a while ago and then I completely forgot about. Let me open Blender. I'm not very organized with doing this kind of stuff if you couldn't tell. I forgot I started working on this and then I just never continued. But I could definitely use this for Scratchy Pet, would this be a good idea to use the 3D thing? Because it's not like this thing is animated much. It's not like as if Scratchy Pet is animated much. I feel like it would be easier to just use the one that I've already been using, like the 2D version. So I don't think it'll make much of a difference whether it's 2D or 3D, just one will look a little bit better. Why is my backpack not updating? There we go. Uh, okay, we've got Scratch Pet. I think I'll keep using this model, to be honest, because I don't think it needs an update yet. I don't absolutely hate it yet, basically. Okay. Um, First step is to put it into pieces. So sorry, but I'm going to have to split you into multiple pieces. This is going to be not very fun. First, we'll have all facial features into one costume, excluding eyes. Those go in something separate, okay. Center everything. And we'll work on this so far. We'll do this for now. Let's set default size so let me check if that's good for full screen. Yeah, that works. Okay. Also, if you guys have like any suggestions or such, you guys can just send them in chat. And I'll probably add them, to be honest, because it's fun to add your guys' stuff. Um equals 2, which is this. Then we should. Whoops, gotta show the chat. Okay. Guess we should probably have a main position. I don't like how I'm already tired. Yay, okay. We can skip the intro. Why am I doing this? I can literally just center it like this. Hold on. Yeah, looks good. Okay. I'll be right back. Suggestion, me. Yep, the viewer count going down makes sense. I was gone for a while. I'm back though. Right. Hello. Viewer count goes up. Hey. Give me a second to recover. I just want to eat. So now, I've got to make the body move now. You know, actually, I really could just copy and paste all the code from here. I hate that frame so much. This one's cute. Yeah, I really could just copy and paste the code here, from here. Let me just... Copy and paste all the old code. Wait, what? Wait, y'all can't hear any music? Hmm. Let me try something. Oh, it's just quiet. Okay. I thought it's because it just wasn't playing. Okay, let me just turn it up. There we go. the Alfredo sauce. Yet, I think this stream's delayed by 20 seconds. I don't think there's a way I can change that. But if there is glitch, since I know you stream, if you would tell me how to fix that, that would be great, because I honestly don't know how to fix that. How do you... Wait, so then how is Scratchy Pet created? It's been a while since I've checked my own code. So just give me a second.
Oh, hi there. I'm Stretchy Pet. But you can call me Stretch, and you are...
Hmm. We've got Scratchy Pet. I've now edited him back because I honestly did not feel like recoding this from the old version, because man, that would take too long. I do not want to do that. I do not have the attention span to. However, I will change some things, because there are some things I do want to change, like the body. The way this stance is better than this one. So what I'll do is I'll just put the body right here. I think that's all I'm gonna have to do. Oh, no. And then group, take everything here, and we just, whoops, okay.
Where you going?
Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm back. It looks so awkward. Okay, nice. I've created two. Oh no. Okay. Okay, so we've got a Scratchy Pet in here. So now really got to fix that selection box. I might just remove it like completely until I figure out what to do with it, because so I feel like Scratchy Pet needs to be smaller, like compared to everything else. But that's gonna mess up all the offsets, and I don't want to redo those. Why so cute? Hey, let's see. Hey, we got Scratchy Pet now. This is the most entertaining game ever, guys. So change the scenery. Okay. I think this was dumb. We really should have just worked on making the browser work first. Because that's kind of how we get Scratchy Pet in the original version. Doesn't mean that's how it's going to be this time. But the browser is still pretty important. It's going to include one of the dumbest features you can do ever. AKA update the Bouncy Ball app. The one and only. Making this is going to be very, very annoying. Making typable text is not very fun. It wasn't fun to do here, and it's not going to be fun to do here as well. But nonetheless, it has to get done, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to first move this to applications. Then I'm going to name this browser. Let's hope we can do this all in one sprite, because doing it in more will be the end of me. Let's keep... No, I think we should probably just keep the same theming from here to here. The old, like, window thing... Well, let me go to it. I think I still have it public. There it is, window generator. This is what originally the windows were going to be made of. This is the most disgusting thing ever. It's cool and all. Like, you resize it. Resize the whole window. Look at that, it's so cool. Even like, if it cuts off, it even dots itself. That's so cool. Pen is the most disgusting looking thing ever. This is gross. Look at that resolution right there. That's really bad. You know what makes this worse? This is an overlay over anything besides other pen objects. Meaning I would have to make the entire game in pen, which making only the windows in pen is fine enough if the situation was that this could be overlaid over other things. But since it can't, that means everything would be made of pen. And I suck at pen. Like, I was able to do this took forever, but making an entire project in pen, that's not something I want to do. I'm not putting myself through that. I hate pen. Like, I think it's cool, but in base Scratch, it's kind of mid. Except for those 3D projects, those things are awesome. Laggy, but still really cool. I'm pretty sure if you connect these, yeah, that's cool. You can close them. I was going to use it and then I decided not to because pen is annoying. So we're sticking with good old costume editor, which means no dynamic windows, sadly. It'd be so cool, but be painful. Let's get our browser icon. I don't know why I'm so tired right now. I'm not going to sleep until I make some significant progress though. I mean, aka I'm not ending stream. Because then I'll probably stay up until 3 AM anyway, so no point of not being productive while doing that. My sleep schedule is terrible. There we go. We could technically have dynamic text up here, but I could care less. Or we could just not do that. Okay, all contents need to fit in here. It's gonna be a draggable window and all. We'll even add all the draggable window stuff. All the window stuff that we would normally do. So up here, we do browser. And since we have a browser right here, we also need to go over to taskbar icons. And we need to add one here. Call this browser. Yes, it's basically a built-in task manager. If you open up like the list called task M, it's essentially just task manager. Except you can't manage anything, you can only view it. It's cool thing to help with coding. All this stuff in. Okay. So we've got a browser now. We've got, let's get everything else in here as well. This stuff we don't make. Okay. Why not? Everything should work, hopefully. If I just were to hide this and we were to just create clone, there we go. And it's browser. It's a beautiful browser right there. Now for the close button, which is also going to be so fun. Yay. I'm thinking we just manually add it in. And then just check if our mouse position is hovering over that area. It's annoying to calculate this kind of math because it's just tedious. Having to check your mouse position and then check and then make sure it actually works right and stuff. That's not fun to do. But I will dedicate this time to doing it. Streams are actually really helpful for when you can't seem to get yourself to do something. Because on the stream, I can't just kind of backtrack on it. I have to commit. Is bigger than 30, and max is bigger than 30. Oh no, 130. And it is less than 145. Just be more tedious with that scratch out, and thank you bureaucrats for making such a there goes my camera. Well, no motion tracking then. I care less. At least the mouth is still moving and such. That's all we really need. for now. And y has to be bigger than 1, 2, 3. Unless this amount. Okay. All of this and mouse down. And all this should equal me being able to close it now. So about that, okay, so I may have messed up some calculations. MX has to be bigger than what? It's 130, right? Okay, I was very off. I think I was looking at the wrong thing. It's actually 113 by 127. Wait a second. Oh no, we were using the wrong calculations. It's 132. There we go. Close button works. That was so fun, right guys? Right. Very fun. Very tedious, but I got it working. Yay. I'm not making a system for opening multiple windows of the same app because that's dumb. Unless I do. I'm thinking about how to go about this. Or I get a lot of variables. Is my sound not working? Why can't I hear anything? There you go. Never mind. No, it is not. Okay, when does that? Okay, so we got this. Does MIT already have some kind of browser? What? Oh my gosh, the voice curve is so bad. I'll be right back. I'm pretty sure this is a way to get past things in school, like a browser. That's weird. Because it has like a Google Classroom logo and it's obviously not Google Classroom. That's funny. Okay, I'll just use the same browser from last time then. Okay. Almost been streaming for 100 minutes. That's fun. Is there anyone still in chat? Jeez, I'm tired. Oh, it flight is kinitopet. Nice. I didn't even do that. No way, there's actually someone in chat. What are the chances? That's why. Okay, that makes more sense. I like this song. Too bad a higher quality instrumental doesn't really exist of it. Hopefully it's instrumental. Yeah, I think it is. Hello, 3 people watching. Okay. We need to make search function. I completely forgot how I did the first time. Okay, it's right here. I just need to copy and paste this but for the browser, so should be easy enough. Did not need to make an entire variable, but why not, to be honest. Okay, we do T1 of T, 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 T. So I said T, it's 1, and this. Oh, wait, yeah, we don't have deleting right now because we haven't copied and pasted that function yet, so. Yep. Browser search and browser search. Just replace the values in it, and now let's have it out of network code. There we go. Everything's sectioned neatly, put everything a little closer together. If it says I'm watching a different device again, I'm gonna be mad. Because I'm not. Okay. Now enter is pressed. I think there should be some kind of UI that probably tells you that you can press enter to search. Search. I should probably have a thing that clears content. I officially streamed for over 2 hours. Now to get the browser to open when we actually do the browser. So it not working? got searching, and dragging should work now. Yep. And when we press, oh my gosh, the voice crack was really bad. When we press enter, we will be able to see results. Maybe. Low indeed. um Okay, so now get the browser. We need to make sure that this actually works. So set this to 0. Okay, as soon as it's reached 3 hours of streaming, I'm probably going to stop, which is somehow long. Or something near that. Probably 2 hours and 30 minutes, which is in like 7 minutes, 8. Here's with that stream, I'm just getting tired. Okay. We've got a browser with a text engine working. Now we've just got to make the actual search results happen. How's that gonna work? How does that even work last time? I'm pretty sure just nothing shows up, which is boring.
Hey. I'm saying it. I'm saying it. I'm saying it so good. Hey.
Oh, there's the old browser logo. This one sucks. What the heck is this? What is this? Oh. I don't know what else to do, man. I'm just tired. And we successfully made a browser what else did we do? Pretty sure we fixed a bunch of bugs and stuff, probably. Honestly don't remember. But we made progress, which is all that matters. Okay. I'm tired. Very tired. And I want to go to sleep. So, I'm gonna go. See you guys. supposed to do when you do that? Close enough. I haven't synced these in a while, that's why they're so offset. Well, good night.